Well, welcome back to Chinaron. Today I'm going to be doing a real quick update video on the Harbor Freight 8750 generator. Basically what I had done a couple months ago or so is I had to replace the carburetor on the generator because it had failed. The carburetor's been working great, but the problem I'm having, or had, was the fuel line that I used that came with a kit is not able to withstand the ethanol and has turned it into a plastic. So it was a rubber hose, and now once it was subjected to the ethanol, it turned it into a plastic, it cracked, and it started to leak. So before you do anything else, if you're relying on this generator like I am, go out and check it if you've done the upgrade or updated the carburetor on the generator, and replace the fuel line. Get online, you can pick this up for next to nothing, or from Amazon. I'll have a link down below for that, or you go to your auto parts store, and this is able to withstand the ethanol in the system. So again, this is kind of an important video to make sure that you understand that the carburetor kit that you put on the generator that I showed you, the fuel line that it comes with will not handle the ethanol. It'll crack and you will have some leaks. So this is something you need to take care of. So again, I hope this helps you, and stay tuned for the next one.